day it is, guys, for tornado siren test. It is November of 2022, and we're here for the final tornado siren test of the year for Oakland and Macomb counties. We got a Federal Signal 2001 tornado siren here, and it's going to be going off in a couple minutes. Weather is actually really nice right now because it is in the high 60s, which is really nice. But later on, we are going to be getting a storm here in Michigan. So there's going to be rain and high winds. That's going to be starting up in like an hour or so. So right now things are looking nice. So they should be testing the siren. So yeah, with that being said, we're just going to cut right to it. We'll do a little bit more talking after the test so we don't miss it. So let's get right to it. Alright everybody, that concludes the test. They were running a little late, as you guys might have noticed. They started the test about 2 minutes late. So I was looking at my watch, and it was 1 p.m., and I was wondering if maybe they were indeed going to cancel it. But in the case that they do run late, I typically do like to wait 5 minutes at least, just to see if they do, because sometimes they do run a little late, as you guys can see there. But there it is, the last tornado siren test of the year for not only Oakland County, but also Macomb County. They do not test through the months of December, January, and February because of winter weather, and there's really no need to, considering there really aren't any natural disasters that happen during the winter months. So yeah, that's going to conclude the final test for 2022 here in these counties. Now next month I am thinking I will go down to Wayne County or Monroe County, one of the two, for a test, because those counties do test all year long. So there is a good chance you guys will get to see a video next month of one of those sirens down there. I don't know where I'm going to go yet. So yeah, that was the test. Nice weather outside right now. It is, like I said, in the high 60s, so this might be a record for one of the nicest days for filming a November tornado siren test. And you guys might be wondering why exactly I didn't go to the siren throughout the year. Well, if you saw my previous videos, this was the only siren that I filmed. Well, let me rephrase that. The last time I actually filmed the siren was back in March, when Oakland County started their first tests of the year. I actually started, I came here in March for the first test, and then we went to different siren locations for the rest of the year. As you guys can see, we had a pretty good summer, you know. Filmed 2810 siren, filmed a couple modulators, which was really cool. Even filmed the rainbow modulator and a thunderbolt too, which was really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the test for this month. Thank you guys for watching as always, and we'll see you guys next month for another tornado siren test. Goodbye.